Hello, my name is Teresa and I would like to invite you to my exclusive new workshop. Don't be a great lover, become the greatest and go from orgasm to Nirvana. This workshop will happen on Wednesday 22nd of September at 8 p.m. CET or GMT +2 in a special Facebook group where I will go live. In this workshop, I'm going to teach you for free how to become multi-orgasmic, how to become the greatest lover for your current or future partner, what you need to learn, what you need to master in order to become one, how to prolong your lovemaking, how to please your partner, what to do, what to not do. There will be also Q&A, and for everyone who is joining will get a gift of value 150 euros. Yes, you hear well. Value 150 euros and you come for free. Everything you need to do is just come and join. Just this is not for everybody. Not everyone can join this workshop. This is exclusively only for you who is open-minded, ready to learn, ready to listen, who will join, who will come and who will appreciate my time, my experience, my knowledge and your time as well. Fill up this survey and I will come back to you. Hope to see you there.